Hello and welcome to Fox Trading Solution. Today in this video we are going to discuss about functions. Firstly, let us talk about the contents covered in this video. In this video we are going to talk about the introduction to function, default parameter and return statement, and lambda function or anonymous function. Firstly, let us understand what functions are in general. A function is a block of code which runs when it is called. We can pass data to a function as parameter. There are two types of functions, built-in function and user-defined function. Built-in functions are the functions that are predefined in Python and we need not declare these functions before calling them. User-defined functions are the functions that we create on our own. So let us start with a practical application. Firstly, let us take an example of a predefined function. In a predefined function, we need to import a function that was already defined in the libraries. For example, math. I'm giving a value of variable to be 5. Square is equals to math dot power x by 2 means power 2. Let us run this and print the value of square. As you can see, it's 25. Also, we can have a user-defined function. For example, taking the same square function, I take a function class to be def, that means defined, comp bracket x square is equals to x into x, return square, and here I'll give the value of the usage. For example, a is equals to float input variable. B is equals to comp a print b. I'm giving the variable to be 4 and the square is 16. Now let us understand this code. Basically here I have defined a function for a square value. For defining a function we need to give def and then the function name and in brackets the variable to be used. Here we need to give a proper indentation. As in the square function we need to multiply the number by itself. I am making it x into x and returning the value of the square. Now for calling a function I have taken an input from a user, that is input variable, and converted into float by typecasting. Then I have called the function and the value, that is a, which we will be getting by the user, and printing it, and thus I am getting the square of the number. Now let us talk about default parameters and return statements. Parameters are the variable we send to a function for its execution. In Python, we can sometimes set that data to a default value so as to use that function with or without passing a value. Such a parameter with default value is called as default parameters. Let us understand this with the help of an example. I am taking a function def add a comma b comma t is equals to 0. T is equals to a plus b plus d, return 3. Now I'll be calling my function x is equals to add 3 comma 4 print x and y is equals to add 3 comma 4 comma 5 print y. Let us first run the code and then understand it. So basically, here I have defined a function and these are my parameters that are defined in the parenthesis given beside the function. I have taken C variable where I'll sum up A plus B plus D. I have by default taken D to be 0 and I'm returning C. Now when I'm calling the function, I'm only giving the value of 3 and 4, that is A and B. I'm printing the value of this. But also I can change the value of D. That was a default value, we can change it. So in the Y function, I have written 3, 4, 5, where 3 stands for A, 4 stands for B, and 5 stands for the value of D. And I'm summing that up. Therefore, the result is 12. Thus, in general, a parameter is a variable listed inside the parenthesis in the function definition, whereas an argument is the value that are sent to the function when it is called. There are different numbers of argument, but a function must be called with the correct number of arguments, meaning the arguments present here should be matching with the arguments that have been called here. Now let us talk about lambda functions or anonymous functions. Anonymous functions are the functions without name. Lambda keyword is used to create anonymous functions. Lambda function does not include a return statement. It always contains an expression which is returned. For example, let us take a lambda function. I have g is equals to lambda here. X is the argument and x into x into x is the expression. Let us run this code. As we know, the value given is 2. So 2 into 2 into 2 is 8. Let us check the output. As you can see, the output matches to 8. So this is all about the basic function understanding and working with functions. See you in the next video. Thank you.